Three heads. Three heads. Them 3 head foreheads. Great. Thank God, please. Today, just help this look good.
Make me look good just today.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with something a little bit different. I'm doing my friend's makeup, as you can probably see. But before I start, I just wanted to say, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and also make sure you leave a comment under this video, like, share, and I'll just get straight into the video. So I've already started brushing my friend's brows using a spoolie. I've applied the brow pencil and I'm just cleaning it up using concealer. I'll leave all of the details down below and on screen as well. And for the top of the brow, I'm using a darker shade, something a little closer to her skin tone, and that basically avoids the whole lines. You know, when you do your eyebrows and then you use a lighter shade and there's a massive white line on top of your brows. We don't want that. So yeah, moving on to the eyes, I'm using concealer to prime the eyes, and then we're gonna get straight into the eyeshadow part. She's so silly. So I'm using my SLUSH palette by Shopseptemberrose. The brand is an Instagram brand. I'll link it down below so you can go get yours. So yeah, I'm just going in with that blue shade, and I'm going to use 2 brushes. One to just apply it on the eyes and the other one to blend it in. So basically a blending brush and a small brush basically. I'm just going to keep repeating the process. I'm going to do that a few times. Basically, all you need to do is keep repeating it until you're happy with how dark it is. And it has to be a little bit dark so that when you cut the crease, it actually shows like properly. Guys, this friend of mine talks a lot, so be expecting to see a lot of talking and laughing in this video. And I'm just going to go in with a yellow shade from that same palette, and I'm just going to blend the outer corners of the blue colour just to, you know, blend it all in together. And I'm going to go in with that darker shade of blue and apply it to the outer corners just to like make it a bit darker and deeper for the cut crease. I'm also using more concealer to cut the crease, so yeah. With cut crease, guys, you have to make sure that you keep a steady hand, no movements. Make sure that the head is tilted back if you can, and just get cutting. I'm just using my fingers to blend everything in, and then I'm going to go into that very shade I just showed, and I'm going to apply that to where I cut the crease. And I'm going to go in with that blue shade and just make sure everything is blended nicely on the edges, and yeah. I don't know why I'm talking like this, guys, but yeah. So I'm going in with the Revolution Baking Oil to prime the skin. Not gonna lie, before I applied this, when I started the makeup, I put a color corrector, and then I just thought, you know what, I don't actually need this because the foundation is quite full coverage, so we took it off before the foundation application. So I'm just using a Real Techniques brush. I think it's the Expert brush to just blend it all in, and yeah. And she's laughing again. And I'm going back in with a Real Techniques sponge to just blend it all in, you know. You want to make it nice. And I'm going to be using two concealers today. I'm using the Maybelline concealer in... I'll leave it in the description down below. And I'm also going in with the Revolution concealer just to brighten it up a little bit more. Let me tell you my little secret to avoid flashback. Just make sure that you go back in with the back of the sponge after you've blended your concealer and just blend out the corners to make it like, to make sure everything is blended together, and then go in with a brush and just brush it. I mean blend it even more. So I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup powder, and this is just to set the areas where I put concealer, and I'm just going to dust it off using another Real Techniques brush. Like I said guys, I'm going to leave everything in the description box down below. To contour her face, I went in with another Revolution concealer. I lost the footage for this part, but I used a darker shade of Revolution concealer, and I'll be leaving it down below. I'm just using the same brush I used for the foundation to blend it in, and then I'll go over it using a beauty sponge. This girl is honestly the happiest girl I've ever come across. Like, this girl is always so smiley, happy. Like, she has the best energy ever. To set the rest of her face, I'm using the BLACKOPAL setting powder in Deep, and I'll just use that to, you know, set the rest of the face like I said. And I'm doing a bit of reverse contouring using the same Sacha Buttercup powder. So yeah, I'm going in with Revolution's setting spray, and I'm just spraying the face, and then I'll go in with the Revolution highlighter and just you know, do my thing. And for her lips, I'm using Crease, I don't know, it's an Instagram brand that sent me some nice lipsticks, so I'm using the brown shade for her lips. I'm gonna be adding it in the description down below as well. Et voila, this is the finished look guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I did try my best. If you liked it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You're mad.